Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again on our channel. Today I will show you how to create images like these, now trending on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. Open your browser and search Bing Image Creator. Then click Search icon. Click Image Creator from Microsoft Bing. Sign up to get coin that will enable you to create an image. If you can't open the account in the next video, I will show you how to open the Bing account, and the video link will be in the description of this video. Tap here to write your prompt. If you want to use this prompt, watch the video until the end. I will display it in the video. After writing a prompt, click Create. Wait in a few minutes if a system takes action to process. Now process is done, you see better picture from Bing. Tap any photo to preview. To save in gallery, click here. Let's change the prompt. And this is prompt of this image. Open CapCut video editor on Android and iOS. In desktop, go to your browser and search CapCut.com. Click on New Project. Click Photo section. Choose photo on gallery that you have downloaded from Bing. Then tap Add. Click a photo, then choose Style. Click Trending, then tap 3D Zoom Pro. Then click here to export. Share on social media to make money like TikTok, YouTube Short, and other platforms. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and share for friends and family. See you next time. Bye-bye.